When it comes to body handling and teaching your dog to accept being groomed, an electric toothbrush can be really great. What it does is it mimics what one of those little toe grinders would do. And so what you do is you turn it on, yeah, and you give them treats while they experience it. See how scared she was of this thing? So what you're gonna want to do is slowly expose her to it and give her treats for it without even turning it on. As you can see, Jackie's really nervous with this thing. And then you'll turn it on and just let it touch the paws with it on. But as you can see, this is the first time I introduced her to it, and she got a little nervous. And this is what you're seeing, the signs of a nervous dog. The best thing to do with a nervous dog is to give them treats, 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 treats for exposure. In fact, when you're working with your puppy, 100 to 200 tiny treats, in this case it's her kibble, a day, just for exposure, can be the best thing to get her to feel more confident. But if you can see this over here, see that tucked tail and that lean in, Jackie really got nervous with the toothbrush. So I'm gonna get it out of the way, and then maybe in a second or two, you'll see some less nervous behaviors out of her. She's getting a little closer to me now, but her tail's still kind of tucked. So really great to see what a dog looks like when they get a little nervous. A lot of people say they look distracted, but when it comes to socialization, right, I'm gonna give them treat, treat, treat for exposure. And even in just 30-second video here, I can see that she's warming up, but if I take this out again, I might make her nervous with it. So she's gonna get nervous again with it. So don't push things too quickly, but definitely use a ton of treats to get your dog, there you go, to feel a little less nervous about new things, including the electric toothbrush, grinding their nails, or brushing their teeth later. As I'm continuing this with the electric toothbrush, by giving her tons of treats, now the toothbrush can be in play in the area, and she gets treat, 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 treat. But she was so nervous with it, I'm not gonna turn it on again. I'm just gonna touch the nails and give her a treat. I'm gonna go really slowly. I just touch her nails and give her a treat. But I'm not gonna worry about turning it on and touching her just yet. I'm gonna spend like a day or two just getting her used to the idea that this is this, and there you go. And then maybe I can turn it on away from her, and then treat, treat, treat. So it's just this low level exposure followed up by tons of treats that will move her away from being nervous, in this case, of the electric toothbrush. But it's the same strategy you're gonna use with all socialization later.